Welcome to our channel. Pairing your Chromecast with its remote control is essential for easy navigation. Here's a quick guide to get them connected. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast with Google TV is powered on and connected to your television. Step 2. Insert the batteries into your Chromecast remote if you haven't already done so. Step 3. Turn on your TV and make sure it's set to the correct HDMI input where your Chromecast is connected. Step 4. The Chromecast should automatically attempt to pair with the remote when you first set it up. If not, continue with manual pairing. Step 5. To manually pair, press and hold the home button and the back button on the remote simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Step 6. Watch your TV screen for a pairing notification or indicator that the remote is attempting to connect. Step 7. Once paired, the Chromecast will display a confirmation message. You may see an LED light on the remote flash or change color. Step 8. Test the remote by navigating through the Chromecast interface to confirm all buttons are working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.